Hello there, Dan the Weatherman here. Hey, welcome to my weather show. This is the global edition where I take a look at the weather around the world, and there's loads going on as usual. First off, this is our global shot looking at Australia, further north to parts of Asia, and there's been an active pulse running from the Indian Ocean right the way towards really much of the Pacific. And you notice this blob of cloud? That could be a developing typhoon over the course of this week. There's been a nasty low that's just been sitting and spinning across parts of New Zealand. And speaking of the Indian Ocean, we're just getting in time. We could see the onset of the Indian monsoon into the far south of the Indian subcontinent this week as well. Things have really been warm. You could just look at one lump of here, this color of red here, over the course of the week. Well above normal, and you look at all that red there across the Arctic. There's been lots of cross-polar flow and things really start to warm up. See that blob of color there across parts of Asia, in particular Siberia. We could be seeing some 20s, even some 30s, very far north. Going to North America, what is warm west for the first part of the week, that warmer air shifts its way south and east. The reason why? A big upper trough, which is across the western US, that slides its way east. You can see it here with the colors. This is first part of the week. Green, yellow, a little bit cooler, warmth further west. And then you shift that and go like that, and notice much warmer. That means temperatures start creeping up. And this time of year, we're talking easily 30s, even perhaps a few 40s as that warm air slides its way through. It's, of course, been a real jumbled up mess of a jet stream across parts of Europe. Remember how we've had that low pressure British Isles sitting here, much of the European continent. It's now just flipped around. We've got a big bubble, a big blocking ridge right over Scandinavia. So, well, what does that do? It means there's just an area of high pressure, lots of settled weather, decent weather, and it stays there. So it kind of blocks the whole jet stream from moving through. Big old high, trying to get weather systems in, a few showers there across the far south and east. But have a look at this. Over the course of the week, the high just sits there. It's like a pin in the old map and doesn't move. Systems trying to work in, but see, they can't come round the big bubble of high pressure. So otherwise fine. Notice a few showers there, a few thunderstorms too starting to develop across parts of the interior continent, but otherwise staying much quieter. And that's the milder air as well that starts moving its way further in. We track our way to New Zealand. I mentioned that low that's been sitting. Imagine getting some 1, 2, 3 months worth of rain in the span of several days. Just look at this pipeline of rain. You think, how does that happen? I put on the streamline. So this is what we call a cut-off low. That's New Zealand, the North Island, the South Island, Australia here. And you look at that. It's literally like having a fire hose, spray it in one place for several days. And before you know it, you've got 3 months worth of rain in several days. And of course, with the Southern Alps here, that hits the Alps, you get a lift, squeeze out more moisture, and that's why it's been dumping through. And it's not until another little surge of energy comes along, kicks that out of the way, will things improve, and that will go away. And that will happen over the course of the week. You can see persistent rain, places like Christchurch, that will all clear its way through Tuesday, through Wednesday. High pressure settles in over the Tasman Sea, a little skinny front slides through west to southwest flow, but at least they start to see some quieter weather to dry out because of rivers will be swollen for quite a while, and all that will be coming down from the Alps. New system comes in later in the week. So after that cut-off low and loads of rain and significant flooding and disruption, conditions will slowly start to ease for them there. That's the weather for now. See you guys again soon. Bye-bye.